Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark as mature content on Reddit. If you're posting sensitive or adult content on Reddit, it's really important to label it correctly using the NSFW or not safe for work tag. This isn't just about following rules, it also helps protect other users from seeing content they might not be comfortable with. So, whether you're sharing memes, discussions, or media that includes mature themes, Reddit gives you a built in option to flag your post properly. And the good news, it only takes a few seconds to do it. So, let's get started. So, first, open Reddit app or go to the Reddit website. Next, tap or click the Create Post button. So, open Reddit app or go to the Reddit website. Now, once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once you do that, scroll down and look for settings, then tap on it. Once you're on settings, at the top, make sure you tap on profile. Now, scroll down and look for mark as mature. So, hover over it and make sure it is turned on. So, if you want your entire profile to be marked as mature, not just individual posts, go to settings, go to profile section, and look for mark as mature and make sure it is turned on. So, this will label your whole profile as NSFW, meaning your content won't be shown to users under 18. Now, before publishing your post, look for the NSFW option. And on mobile, you can tap on the plus 18 or NSFW toggle below your post editor. And on desktop, you'll see an option labeled Mark as NSFW under the post settings. So turn this on to label your content as mature. Now, not all subreddits allow NSFW content. And before posting, scroll down and check the community rules. Some subreddits may remove your post or even ban you if NSFW content isn't allowed. So always double check to avoid issues. Now, once everything is ready and the NSFW tag is enabled, go ahead and post your content. Now, your content will now be marked as mature and viewers will see a warning before opening it. Now, if you forgot to mark your post as NSFW, you can go to your post, tap the three dots, and tap on Add NSFW tag. So as you can see, NSFW tag is added. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to mark content as mature on Reddit. So just remember using the NSFW tag properly not only keeps your post compliant, but also makes Reddit a safer and more respectful space for everyone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.